So yeah, we've just been to lunch. Gonna head home now. See what's going on at home. Park on the side and check it out. So guys, we have a V6 Amarok in my driveway, and I got a little message from Sharon. It says, "Hi Kenji, thanks so much for the awesome review on the Wolf DVD. I left a gift for you in your driveway. The keys in the usual place. Have fun playing with it." Okay, keys. Okay, found the key. Nice. Weird. This is what a 700,000 rand Volkswagen Amarok looks like. Sure. Okay. Personally, I really like the Amarok. It's one of my favorite bakkies to have. The looks of it is just very chunky and very bulky. Look, the arches are really come from the factory with these arches. Very nice. It's got the lights that are bulky. Nice big side step at the back as well with the tow bar. The back opens up nicely to a massive back buck. You could come around, get these beautiful side steps, and then the biggest change are these LED lights with the LED strips. Very beautiful. Okay, let's have a look at the interior. Wow, the interior is really nice and very spacious. I mean, look where my arm sits. Right there. This is a very big interior. Wow, this is like basically this is a luxury SUV. It's got multi-function steering wheel. It's got the red dials like a GTI with your digital center. Got your center console, and then you got all your buttons. So you got your light button at the back to shine, automatic aircon, dual climate control. Basically you got your DSG gear knob, got your traction control, diff lock, and you got an off-road function. And I just noticed like 12 volt there, technically a 12 volt with a serial lighter, and another 12 volt on top. Now that's very convenient for a sat nav, so you can put a sat nav on here and just plug it in. That's very convenient. Well, the cabin is very nice, big, nice and chunky. Okay, cabin's a little bit small, but you have other storages as well. With these big storages, this I'm pretty sure you can put a. I'll try and put a 2 liter in there. And other storages as well underneath the seat. Store stuff in there. Yeah. This is a very nice interior. Back seats just as big, comfortable for 3 adults. Okay guys, we're gonna just take a quick drive around the block of the car, see how it feels, see how comfortable it is, see how the engine sounds, and see how, in general, how it feels. Start it up. Very quiet, but you can hear the tractor noise though. Well, that's normal for a bakkie. Okay. You can most definitely hear the V6. Steering column is rake and height adjustable. Brilliant. Seats is just height adjustable and front and back, forward and backwards I mean. Otherwise, very spacious interior. Like I said, you can see everything at a very good viewpoint. Monstrous engine, 3-liter TDI V6, a monstrous engine. What we're going to be doing in the next 2 weeks is we're going to be taking the V6 Amarok, the 2-liter TDI Amarok, and we're going to go on off-road, and we're going to see how both fare on an off-road track. Obviously most of these cars are sold as a lifestyle vehicle, which I would say, I could be wrong, about 70% won't even see off-road, but it's nice to have. It's something that you purchase, you might not use it, but it's there. Oh my word. Hey. Alright, that's powerful. For a bakkie, V6 bakkie, that's very powerful. 165 kilowatts. Okay. Who needs a GTI when you got this? Take your off-road bike, your kids at the back. 165 kilowatts V6. You can go anywhere. Off-road capability. You could go anywhere in the world. I like this thing. It's nice. I wonder if this thing's got launch control, like the GTI. Yeah. In conclusion, this car really sounds fantastic. It drives nice. It's got power. It's got comfort, usability. Price is not too bad. I would obviously go for a demo model like this one. You can get it far cheaper than a brand new one, and you can get it at Sharon. She's at Tableview VW. Very lovely lady. She'll help you out with any demo model, any VW, brand new ones as well, and secondhand. She can also sort you out. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. That was basically the Amarok V6 test drive. We will be doing a Amarok V6 and an Amarok 2-liter turbo diesel on an off-road track just to see how it fares. So please stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel to keep updates on those things, and please comment, share my video if you can. That will be very grateful, and give it a like. Thank you guys for watching. Cheers.